Hey guys, today I want to show you these down the home collapsible storage bins. I wanted to start by showing you the box, the packaging that it comes in, because these would make a really amazing gift. They are so beautifully packaged. So it comes in this beautiful floral cardboard box, and when you open the box, it has, like a thank you card in the front from the designers. It comes with 4 labels, like plastic labels it's got paper on the inside, plastic, kind of tag box to put it in, or a tag cover to put it in, so that you can label the boxes and what's in them, along with the straps to put them on there with. And then look at how beautiful the tissue paper is. I don't know if you can see that well, but it's got like a heart tissue paper with a sticker in it. It's just so beautifully packaged. I wanted to show you this because what a beautiful gift this would be. So let me get this opened up. Okay, so it comes with a set of 4 boxes. And look at how beautiful the pattern is on this. It's a gray box with a gold rose pattern, just beautiful. So these are fabric and they're really easy to use. So obviously these fold down. So if you're not using it at the moment, this would easily fit like on a shelf or something. And then to open these up, you just simply open it up, and there's this hard bottom right here that you just push down. And that's it. Simple as that. So then you have these tags that you can, kind of label what's in the box and go ahead and then hook that in over the handles. So let me get one of these assembled and labeled and show you guys what it looks like.